Very good afternoon, my dear students. Today we are discussing about temperature dependence of the rate of a chemical equation and Arrhenius equation. For every 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate of reaction doubled. Arrhenius equation for the temperature dependence of rate of reaction is given as K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT, where K equal to rate constant, A equal to frequency factor or exponential factor called Arrhenius factor. R is the gas constant, which value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. T is temperature in Kelvin. Now taking ln of equation 1, we get ln K equal to ln A minus A by R T. At temperature T1, ln K1 equal to ln A minus A by R T1. At temperature T2, ln K2 equal to ln K minus A by R T2. Now, if we subtract equation 2 from equation 3, we get ln K2 minus ln K1, that is equal to, which is equal to ln K2 by K1. This is equal to ln A1 cancel and minus EA by RT1. This is equal to EA by R into 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Now, when ln is converted to log, it becomes log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. This equation must be remembered. This first equation 1 and equation 4 must be remembered for solving numerical problems. Now, energy of activation. Energy of activation, the energy required to form intermediate called activated complex is called energy of activation. EA. When we plot the curve potential energy versus reaction coordinate, this is reactant A plus B. Now the product is C plus D. Then this is called energy of activation, and this is called activated complex or intermediate. Activated complex or intermediate. Now, this is the difference is called enthalpy change. delta H enthalpy change. For complex reaction, energy decreases, therefore this portion is called delta H change in enthalpy. Now if you plot the fraction of molecules that is called Ne by Nt, fraction of molecules versus kinetic energy, we get like this, and the peak is called the maximum number of molecules, that is most probable kinetic energy. Most probable kinetic energy. This most probable kinetic energy is the maximum, since all the molecules have not the same kinetic energy in the gaseous molecules, because it moves with various speeds. Therefore, the number of molecules having energy E, kinetic energy E, and the total number of molecules is fraction of molecules when plotted with kinetic energy. The peak of the curve is most probable kinetic energy. Now, the temperature dependence, we can say that this is at T, at T and at T plus 10 degree, rising temperature T plus 10, this area is the energy of activation, and this area is the number of extra molecules which take part in the chemical reaction at T plus 10 degrees Celsius. Now, this is the fraction of molecules versus kinetic energy, Ne by Nt, fraction of molecules and kinetic energy. This is the energy of activation. This is energy of activation. This is energy of activation. This is energy of activation. Energy of activation means energy of activation decreases at T plus 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, its kinetic energy is high, more kinetic energy. Therefore, at 10 degree rise in temperature, rate of reaction becomes double due to energy of activation decreases.